Hey guys, are you curious what my Arduino is doing right now? So if you want to find out, stay connected and keep watching. It is actually playing the No Internet T-Rex game. So let's find out how it works. So here are my components. I used a servo motor right here. Here it is, right here. An Arduino, which is basically the brain of everything. A standard resistor right here, and a photoresistor right here. And like the way it works is that it changes the resistance when light shines on it. Like on the top, you could see it has like squiggly lines on it. That's the thing that detects how much light goes on it, and then it changes the resistance. And that way we can know which things are white and which things are black, so we know when to jump and when to not. The Arduino measures the voltage that comes into it when it's like black or white. So when it's white, the voltage is like 1, and when it's black, the voltage is different. So then we could just like program a simple if, and then it's just gonna be working. And then it could send signals to the servo motor, so it could press the space key. And yeah, this is basically the way it works. And also, one of the materials I forgot to tell you, we also use like a bunch of wires right here. So yeah. And yeah, we also use the breadboard, and we use the Raspberry Pi as a power supply because I broke it, so it's not good for anything else than a power supply. So just that's basically how it works. And now enjoy the way it works. Okay, watch this. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you leave comments or likes. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.